Hi friends, and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all of you guys. In the last video, we discussed about one of the frequently asked interview questions related to Java String. In today's video, we'll be discussing about one of the frequently asked logical questions in any programming language interview for that matter. The question might seem little easy, but believe me guys, I've been interviewing people for quite a while now for programming opportunities. Only 10% of the people can actually understand this problem and develop a solution for it. Without any further ado, let's get started. How to swap two numbers without using a third variable. This video will break down the problem into smaller chunks for you guys to understand it swiftly. Before we jump directly into solving this problem, let's first figure out what is swapping. For instance, if there are two numbers number 10 and number 20, each is stored in a container. Container A has number 10, container B has number 20. Our task is to swap these numbers. At the end of the program, we should have number 20 in container A and number 10 in container B. That's it. The catch is, numbers can only be stored in containers. You cannot just take number 10 and number 20 and change containers on the go. Then, how can we do it? The simple solution would be to get an additional container C. Then preserve the value of container A by storing that in container C. Now we can copy the value of container B to container A. Subsequently, copy the value of container C to container B. Ta-da! Problem solved. Is it? Well, in the question it says that we could not use an additional container for this operation. Damn. How do we tackle this then? Don't worry, we'll figure something out. We always do. For this, let's utilize some properties of arithmetic operations. Let's get the value of container B and add it with the value of container A and store it in container A itself. We just replaced container A's value by adding the current value of container A with container B's value, which is 10 plus 20, we get 30. Now let's subtract container B's value from container A's value and store it in container B. 30 minus 20, we get 10. We got the expected value in container B. Let's do the same process again, but this time store the result in container A instead of container B. 30 minus 10 is gonna be 20. Wow, we solved it. Now we know how to swap two numbers without using an additional container. The container here represents a variable in any programming language. Since we know the logic of swapping, let's write an algorithm, aka the pseudocode. We have an initialization section, swap logic, and a display section. Is this the only way to solve this problem? No way. There are many ways to approach this problem. Some of them are listed here. Let's see this in action using a simple Java program. Here, we have a Java program with just main method in it. In the beginning, I have initialized the variables a and b with values 10 and 20 respectively. After that, I added a print statement to display the values of each variable before swapping. Next up is our business logic section, where I had written the swapping logic. First statement is a equal to a plus b, which is 10 plus 20 yields 30. Second statement is b equal to a minus b, 30 minus 20 equal to 10. And the last statement is a equal to a minus b, which is 30 minus 10 yields 20. The closing statement of our program is to display the values after swapping. Let's run this program and see the results. Before swapping, variable a had 10 and variable b had 20 in it. After swapping, the values of a became 20, b became 10. Now you know how to tackle a swapping problem. I hope this video was useful for you guys. If yes, please share your valuable thoughts as comments in the comment section below. Please share it with your friends and family. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, bye-bye.